Alright, as you can see, these are some pretty busted headlights right here. So we're gonna try to
use some
of this off stuff they're claiming.
This is the headlight challenge.
Yeah. They're claiming that you spray this stuff on a sock and then wipe it on the headlights and it makes them like new. We shall see. Put a liberal dosage on there.
I don't know. I mean,
there is some scuzzies on there.
Let's see here.
What do you think, AJ?
Oh.
I mean, they're a little better.
Just going to turn the lights on.
I wouldn't say they're like new, but
It did help, but not by a huge amount.
well, we're gonna
do direct spray on this one.
all right.
Despite what the rules say.
Maybe yours are just too far gone.
Gonna let that marinate for a couple seconds. Do not get any on the paint. Alright, marinated long enough.
You think it matters how tough you rub it?
I'm rubbing this one a little bit harder, a lot harder than I rubbed the other one.
I feel like it's working on this one. I feel like they got some shine to them.
I feel like they do down too, actually. So, you'd have to rub harder.
Yeah.
But, end result, I feel like it's working.
It is working. So, this works, people. You do have to use a little elbow grease, though. So, we'll be back after we do some more.